PianoEasy4U Level A, Lesson number 2. In this lesson, you will learn half notes, a repeat sign, and how to read and play simple melodies using 3 black keys with your right hand and 3 black keys with your left hand. The information about free downloadable lesson you will find in the description below. Let's begin. Before we begin with our exercise number 1, we need to review what is a quarter note. A quarter note is a filled-in round-shaped note with a stem pointing up or down. In this lesson, we will need to play a half note. So what is a half note? A half note is a hollow round-shaped note with a stem pointing up or down. While quarter note is equal 1 beat, a half note is equal 2 beats. So why half note is equal 2 beats? Remember the trick with the whole apple from the last class? If you cut a whole apple in 4 equal pieces, you will receive 4 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. And each quarter is equal 1 piece. The same way as a quarter note is equal 1 beat. Now, let's pretend that we put together 2 quarters back and we get a half of an apple. And this half of an apple has 2 quarters, which is equal 2 pieces. The same way as a half note is equal 2 beats. So half is equal 2 beats, 2 pieces. I hope it helps. Exercise number 1. In this exercise, you will use 3 black keys. Position your right hand on any 3 black keys and position finger 2, 3, and 4. And the same way your left hand with the finger 2, 3, and 4. Remember, we start counting fingering with a sum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do not count left hand fingering from left side to the right. So now we have to decide which hand will begin. And since the stems are pointing up, it means that our right hand will play first, beginning with finger number 4, like this. 4, 3, 2. Now, finger number 2 has a half note, which is a white note with a stem, which means that we should stay there for 2 beats. Let's try. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now, since the stems are pointing down, the left hand will continue, beginning with finger number 4. And again, finger number 2 will have to stay for 2 beats here. 4, 3, 2, wait. 4, 3, 2, wait. Good job. Now, did you pay attention that the last double bar line has 2 dots? Wow, it means it's a repeat sign. So once you complete first time, you have to come back to the very beginning and play it once again. So the double bar line with 2 dots called a repeat sign. And in this case, you have to play this melody twice. So let's play this melody once again. Beginning with your right hand. 1, 2. 4, 3, 2. Wait, 4 for left hand. 4, 3, 2, wait, 4, 3, 2 second note, repeat sign, right hand, 4, 3, 2, wait, 4, 3, 2, wait, left hand, 4, 3, 2, wait, 4, 3, 2, wait. So, we've finished 2 times. Make sure you repeat 1 more time before going to exercise number 2. Exercise number 2. In this exercise, you will have a repeat sign and 2 half notes. So remember to stay for 2 beats when you see a half note and repeat the melody twice when you have a repeat sign. The stems are pointing up at the beginning of this melody, so our right hand will play for 2 measures and then left hand will continue. Again, position your 3 fingers on 3 black keys, finger number 2, 3, and 4 for your right hand, and similarly for your left hand, 2, 3, 4. Right hand to begin. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Wait, left hand. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, half note 4. Repeat sign, right hand. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Half note, left hand. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Wait. Well done. Let's repeat one more time. 3 black keys for your right hand, 3 black keys for your left hand, right hand to begin. Good job, everyone. Please repeat exercise number 2 one more time. Hello, my friends. You're working very hard and deserve a little break. Did you know that instruments are divided into instrumental families? For example, there are string instruments like viola or cello or guitar. Why they called string instruments? Because the strings are those ones who produce the sound by vibration. Something like this. There are also percussion instruments, and percussion instruments produce their sound by being struck. For example, even this is a percussion instrument. It's called a body percussion. So, what kind of instruments is piano? Piano is a string instrument because the strings produce sound when hammer hits the string. On the other hand, the hammers are striking the string. That's why the sound is produced. So that's why actually piano is a string, a percussion instrument. Exercise number 3. In this exercise, you will need to add your finger and play it 3 times. But before we begin, let's count how many measures do we have in this exercise. Remember, a measure is the distance between a bar line and another bar line. So, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But wait, you have a repeat sign at the end of this exercise. It means that you will need to add 8 more bars. So, although you see only 8 bars here, you will play 16 bars. So, let's try to figure out fingering here. For the first 2 bars, the fingering is provided. And if you take a look at the next 2 bars in your right hand, you will see that actually the melody is absolutely the same as first 2 bars. So what you can do, you can simply copy the fingering from the first 2 bars. Now for left hand, you will begin with the lowest note of 3 black keys, which is your finger number 4. That's why you will add finger 4 here. And then it will be followed by finger 3, and again finger 3, and then finger 2. In the next bar, you will use finger number 2 once again. And be careful over here because you will need to skip one note, right? So instead of playing finger 3, you will play directly finger 4. If you compare next 2 bars with the first 2 bars in this line, you will find out that they are absolutely the same. That's why you can use the same fingering from the first 2 bars. Now, let's try to play this. Right hand to begin, 3 black keys, finger number 4. 4, 3, 3, 2. 2 is a half note, stay longer. 4, stay for 2 beats. Again, 4, 3, 3, 2. Half note here, half note there. Left hand to begin with finger 4. 4, 3, 3, 2. Half note here, half note there. 4 again. 4, 3, 3, 2. 2 half note, 4 half note. Repeat sign, right hand. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Left hand. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Well done. Now, let's count how many half notes do we have in this exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But because we have a repeat sign, then we will have 8 more. Well done, everyone. Let's take a look at the exercise number 4. And in this exercise, you will also need to add your fingering and play it 3 times. Try to do it without my help. Good job, everyone. Thank you very much for using my method. In the lesson 2, you will find more exercises to practice. In the exercise 5, you can find more of the half notes and fingering. Exercise 6 is to create your own composition. And finally, exercise 7, to answer some questions in order to review what you have learned in the lesson 1 and 2. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, share, and comment. See you soon.